Hi, in front of me is Nokia 8.3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store and type Shadow Galaxy. Then download this app from this developer. Open it, choose Settings and adjust it to your liking. When you're done, go back, click Open, choose Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!